Well Cam, here we are at Ride Park. Today we do a little bit of tyre testing. Now the big change for Pirelli is for the big bikes. They've got a brand new tyre, it's called the MX32 Mid-Hard. Now what they say is for a track like we have out here, you know, we come out to Ride Park normally on weekends, and in the morning it's prepped perfectly as always.
And then throughout the day it gets a little bit harder.
Yeah, it does get hard packed, doesn't it? It falls away a little bit. Now Pirelli tell me this new tyre that they've got works perfect for those conditions. So let me tell you a bit more about the features on this tyre, Cam. It's got larger block sizes to increase the contact patch to improve grip and durability. Now the modified side blocks also feature dimples, increasing lean angle, grip and stability. Now while you might think that they're there for decoration, the actual scorpion markings are there to increase the plant and ride comfort. Tread spacing and crown radius profiles broaden the range usage. Now Cam, did you know the new Pirelli MX32 was developed by the MXGP teams and also the AMA motocross and supercross race teams, and now our very own Australian supercross race teams are using this tyre. So it really does have some great pedigree. Now what tyres are you using at the track today?
So I'm using the Midsoft 32s at the front and MJs at the back. The fronts, I find that you get a lot of grip, and the back is good for wear. That's
something that I've been running for a while with you, isn't it?
Yeah.
You get a lot more grip with the 32 and that gives you a little bit of wear, but with the Extra J, that still gives you enough grip, but a lot of wear. Now that's, if you're a racer out there, you'd run the 32 at the back as well.
Yeah.
But for training and practicing purposes, certainly run the Extra J. What do you think of your tyres at the moment?
Oh, they're perfect. I absolutely love them. They give you so much grip into corners and over jumps.
So let me tell you about the MX32 that I've got, the mid-hard tyre. Now they've only just sent this down to me. I had a ride today. As you can see, the track is pretty baked. We did have a corner that Rob loamed up for us and made it pretty fluffy. In that corner, the tyre performed really well through that. But where it really does shine, and I've noticed and you noticed as well, is in the hard pack. How much grip was I getting in the hard pack compared to yourself?
Oh, just so much grip.
It was amazing. I was blown away that the front end really sticks in the rut. They're just looking for grip everywhere. It's amazing. The back end slides a little bit, but it slides and grabs, and that's something you've got to get used to with a Pirelli. It sort of slides and grabs and then tracks, doesn't it? And under braking, they're gripping, they're not bouncing around all over the joint. It still grips really well. And the ruts out here that are hard packed and curled over, the bike just sticks in the rut like it's just a loamy, beautiful day. So guys, if you're out there and you've got tracks like this, like we do in Australia out here, you really need to have a good hard look at these MX32 mid-hards, the new ones from Pirelli. Go out, talk to your dealer about them and just give them a try. Run them at 12 PSI and you might be able to get away with running them a little bit lower because these tyres, they hook up.
Yeah, they're incredible.